You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly from French, but also how it's usually pronounced in English as well. This is the name of a saint, and that's a French name. There are different places in France that are called that way too, of course, and it's a liqueur. Saint-Germain is the French pronunciation, so Saint is French for saint, the T is silent, Saint-Germain, and it's the same un sound that is very French. Saint-Germain is how to say it if you cannot pronounce French perfectly. Saint-Germain, Saint-Germain you could say. Now, in English it's sometimes pronounced as Saint-Germain. Now, if it's an English name, Saint-Germain. In French, Saint-Germain. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.